Hi guys, it's Kennedy here from St.Albert Dodge, showcasing this beautiful 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. Looking at this vehicle, it is in this beautiful stingray color. It has the classic LED headlights with the LED fog lights, color match front bumper, as well as all of our parking sensors in the front. Moving over to the side here, we have our brand new Bridgestone tires with plenty of tread left for all of your upcoming adventures. We have our heated mirrors with our blind spot monitoring, as well as our keyless passive entry. Moving towards the back, we have our LED tail lights, our back park sense sensors, as well as our high definition backup camera. Looking into the back of this vehicle, we have our power lift gate with a beautiful spacious trunk for everything you could possibly imagine. You can fit tons and tons of groceries in here. We have our 12-volt converter, as well as a built-in subwoofer. Join me on the inside for more information. Thanks for joining me on the inside, guys. Looking over to the door here, we have our power mirrors, our power windows, and our power locks. Looking to the side here, we have our headlight controls, which are also automatic as long as that switch is on auto. Looking at the steering wheel here, we have our Bluetooth controls as well as our cruise control settings. We have a beautiful LED screen here with all of our cluster dash information. We have our lovely LED screen in the center here with all of our apps, our SOS and SiriusXM Guardian. We have our Wi-Fi hotspot and our off-road pages. This vehicle also comes equipped with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Looking into the center here, we have our volume controls as well as our dual climate control and our AC and front and rear defrost. We have all of our safety features here, including our lane departure warning and our eco and sport mode. We have all of our plug-ins, adapters down here, as well as a 12-volt converter, and lots of storage in the center console for all of your storage needs. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, please give us a call or come down to the dealership.